Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or adjust the beginning balance in a bank account or credit card in QuickBooks Online. Setting the correct beginning balance is very important because it ensures your financial reports and account balances are accurate right from the start. First, sign into your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the All Apps tab. This is where all your financial activities are recorded and managed. From there, select Accounting and select Chart of Accounts. This section contains a list of all your accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expenses. Now, locate the specific account you want to adjust. Once you find it, click on View Register. This will open a detailed list of all transactions associated with that account. Inside the register, look for the entry labeled Opening Balance. This is the transaction that sets the starting amount for your account. Click on that entry to edit it. You can now adjust the amount to reflect the correct beginning balance. Make sure the value matches your actual bank or credit card statements to avoid discrepancies. After making the necessary changes, double-check everything for accuracy. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. This ensures your updated balance is properly recorded in QuickBooks. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.